declare this aspirant a candidate on nomination.
Iri zuba abarukuru kutebekanisa karuru mu kibindi cya National Resistance Movement rubo batandika kwakira abantu abarikwenda kwetsimba ahantebe y'umyeshengerukazi ahaba district ya Kisoro ahakadi ekibina cy'eby'obutegetsi it's a National Resistance Movement. Aho twashikira ahamwanyogu abantu abarukika batano nibo babahereze kwehandikisa abantu 13 abayurikire ngo nibenda kwetsimba ahantebe niyemwe.
On behalf of the Commission, I do declare Ms. Igiraneza Winfred Faith as duly nominated to participate in the Kisoro District Woman MP by-election. Congratulations. I duly nominate Ms. Akifeza Grace Ngabirano to contest for Woman MP Kisoro District.
Beitwaba bwanyuma baraburwa kutwara amateko mu ngaro ngukandura kwatwe wena neija kusharwamu mukaruru nuko kamwe muringo ngo gumwetanga odoyi yarabara bakuru b'amadini okwehara okwetasya umukaruraka.
Few candidates can be disqualified when we have evidence that you are polarizing NRM. If there's a religious leader who is actually campaigning for any candidate, the religious leader should remove the collar and campaign freely. We are not electing a pope. We are not even nominating candidates for priests.
Tanga odoyi yabuzwa na Haruthi urumurumuna w'umugenzi Sarah Mateke kandebi nibyo yagarukamo.
When I go for Bari, I go for Bari. When I go for Bari, I don't do politics of nominating any candidate. The ones I have here are the ones I nominate. I don't see her name on the list of those who expressed interest.
Umushachi wetu yagambaho n'abamwe abantu abarikwenda kwetaba umukaruraka kandi abashobora gurbeija kutandikira aho mugenzi Sarah Mateke yakomere.
Nsaba ubushagiki bwanyu kugira ngo mukwatireho habwo kuba umwana wito twaferirwe sister witu akabatirehe ntambwe munonga okugira ngo project ze yatandikire zigumizemo.
Ni nyenda kuba linkinga markets to markets where there are markets for their produce hakubo kukira nibo bari kubantu bahinga. Ni nyenda kugira ngo abana bakuba bazara batunge medical health care abana babo bazara abishi abana babishina nabo jobona nangwa nabo batunga amashomero.
Ukwehandikisa kwija kwenderebero bina haizuba rwa katanu sandeji kandi campaign zija kutandika ibiro mishanju zuwe birabe na mishatu ebyo kwezi nuko kumwe akaruru akokutura no myishingiro kazi aba district ya Kisoro konka ija kuterwa ibirabe na bitano ebyo kwezoko amakuraga gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano abazkai TV ya Genshonga muri Kampala.
We are happy that young people are joining us. Thank you very much for that.